Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy. Case study by skilled MBA ARagn Sells faced a pivotal crisis in 2015, prompting a strategic transformation. The company embraced purpose-driven leadership and aligned with mega trends, pivoting towards a circular economy. This shift not only revitalized their operations, but also positioned them as a leader in global sustainability innovation. ARagn Sells, a Swedish waste management firm founded in 1881, faced severe financial challenges by 2015. The company struggled with strategic confusion and lacked clear direction. Operating under a traditional linear waste disposal model, it had a limited innovation pipeline and struggled with market differentiation, threatening its viability. In 2015, ARagn Sells, a Swedish waste management firm founded in 1881, faced severe financial challenges. The company struggled with strategic confusion and lacked clear direction, relying on a traditional linear waste disposal model. This approach limited innovation and market differentiation, threatening the company's viability and necessitating a transformative shift. Per Larssons introduced a purpose-driven model at ARagn Sells, emphasizing circular economy principles over traditional waste disposal. He positioned environmental stewardship as a strategic advantage, not just a compliance cost. By fostering an innovation culture, Larssons reimagined waste as valuable resources, leveraging his sustainability transformation expertise to drive systemic change. The Megatrend Scouting Initiative, led by Larssons, focused on analyzing emerging environmental regulations and market shifts. This initiative identified resource scarcity as both a threat and an opportunity, while recognizing the growing investor interest in circular business models. These insights were crucial for driving future business success and addressing global challenges. Aligning with planetary boundaries, ARagn Sells developed water-efficient recycling processes to conserve fresh water. They focused on extracting and neutralizing harmful substances to combat chemical pollution. By reducing the need for mining through resource recovery, they addressed land system change. Additionally, recycling phosphorus and nitrogen from waste streams tackled biogeochemical flows, ensuring operations stayed within critical environmental thresholds. ARagn Sells strategically aligned its operations with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, emphasizing Sustainable Development Goal 12 for responsible consumption, Sustainable Development Goal 9 for innovation, Sustainable Development Goal 6 for clean water, and Sustainable Development Goal 13 for climate action. This alignment not only enhances societal impact, but also differentiates ARagn Sells in a purpose-driven market, fostering both environmental and business benefits. Traditional waste management emphasized collection and disposal, often neglecting resource recovery. Enhanced recycling improved sorting to capture recyclables. Research and development investments now focus on extracting high-value resources from waste. As a circular solutions provider, we create closed-loop systems and advise clients on circular design, transforming operations for sustainable impact. Phosphorus is crucial for food production, yet traditional mining harms the environment and depletes reserves. ARagn Sells innovated by developing patented technology to extract high-quality phosphorus from incinerated sewage sludge ash. This approach offers a sustainable, circular alternative, significantly reducing the reliance on environmentally damaging mining practices. ARagn Sells' transformation gained global recognition by 2018. They were selected as a United Nations Innovation of Leadership Ambassador, representing Sustainable Development Goals, implementation excellence in the private sector. Invited to present their circular economy model at the United Nations, they also received numerous sustainability and innovation awards across Europe, showcasing their leadership in environmental innovation. Larssons utilized LinkedIn strategically to forge alliances with policymakers and innovators, positioning ARagn Sells as a thought leader in the circular economy. This approach attracted sustainability-focused talent and partners, influencing industry conversations and regulations, transforming social media from a marketing expense into a strategic asset that drives partnerships and market positioning. ARagn Sells achieved 85% revenue growth from sustainable solutions between 2015 to 2023. Over 12 patents were filed for new circular economy technologies. The company expanded its market by 30%, entering new regions and segments. Impressively, 40 million tons of waste were diverted from landfills, underscoring the success of their purpose-driven strategy in delivering environmental and business benefits. Future challenges extend beyond the Sustainable Development Goals, focusing on artificial intelligence and automation for precise resource recovery and efficiency. Climate resilience is crucial, requiring waste management systems that endure extreme weather. Digital transparency through blockchain ensures complete resource lifecycle visibility, enhancing accountability and trust in sustainable practices. ARagn Sells exemplifies aligning strategy with scientific frameworks, transforming sustainability into a revenue driver. Investing in proprietary technology fosters circular solutions, while strategic communication shapes industry narratives. Staying ahead of megatrends through continuous scanning ensures purpose and profit align, driven by systemic innovation. Thank you, and we trust this case study has enriched your strategic perspective. For further exploration of real-world business cases and strategy resources, visit our website or contact us via email or phone.